Hello there, everyone. Welcome back to the Golfy channel. Tonight we'll be doing a reaction video with Gigi Delana in the Gigi Vibes. This is an old video. It's been, I think, 2 years ago. And on this video, LA is still the lead guitarist. And Gigi will be singing the song Till They Take My Heart Away and Tonight I Give In. Okay? Uh, Dun sa mga bagong viewers ko dyan, um, itong reaction video with Gigi Delana in the Gigi Vibes. Lumang video to at it has like 22 million views and this was done 2 years ago. So, kung mahilig kayo sa reaction video at magustuhan ninyo itong ginagawa ko, okay? I'd appreciate if you click the red subscribe button, the bell notification all, and the blue like thumbs up button up there. Okay? Ano to, 2 years ago to, so without further ado, let's go watch, listen, and I'll react to this video. Okay, guys? Here you go, guys. Gigi Delana and the Gigi Vibes.
Look into your eyes, so far away. There's trouble on your mind. You're losing faith. Yeah, let me hold you. It'll be okay. I will like it till they take my heart away. Remember when you called and said goodbye? You thought we lost it all, and so oh, if I lost you, it'll be the same. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Now stronger than before. Oh, you did. And I never felt more sure because of you. See, if I lost you, it'll be the same. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe, 'cause I'm here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my heart away. I'm here to stay. 'Cause I will love you till they take my take my heart
There you go. That's the first song, Till They Take My Heart Away. Okay? And I think the second part will be tonight. So that was a great rendition that Gigi did. She did a really good job. Ang galing talaga niya kumanta. Ang galing talaga nitong banda na to. Ever since na nakilala ko sila from last year. Tapos itong recent visit ko sa Manila, napanood ko sila sa concert. At sinuwerte ako na meet ko si Erwin at naimbita ako. Nagpunta ako sa bahay nila at na meet ko sila doon, yung buong GG Vibes. I really appreciate that, Erwin. But anyway, let's go ahead and continue with this reaction video on the second part, okay?
Somebody walked into my life, and he's right on time. Somebody walked into my life, and he's right on time. Somebody looked into my eyes, and he read my mind. And it's true, I only need to tell you that it's you. You're everything I ever dreamed would come to me. Somebody walked into my heart, and to my surprise, somebody staring me apart, and it feels just fine. It's you. I've waited oh so long to say it's you. You are everything I ever dreamed. Oh, tonight I came into the feeling. Tonight I came into the thrill of loving you. Tonight I came into believing. I hear you say you'd always stay. Somebody turned my life around, and I'm not the same. this way. Oh, tonight I give in to the feelings, yeah. And tonight I give in to the thrill of loving you. Tonight I give in to believing, darling, you're everything I ever dreamed would come to me. To somebody walked into my life.
There you go, guys. Gigi Delana in the GG Vibes 2 years ago. And palagay ko, ito yung panahon ng pandemic. At during the pandemic, diyan ko sila nakilala sa YouTube dahil halos araw-araw yata or hindi ko na matandaan. Nag-ano sila, nagla-live stream. At kung minsan nakakasama ako sa live stream at nagre-request ako, tinutugtog nila yung mga request. Ang galing talaga nila, bilib ako sa kanila. At kita mo ngayon, sikat na sila. Gigi Delana and the GG Vibes. Nung March, nung umuwi kami ng January, nung pauwi na kami bandang March, actually, nagkaroon sila ng concert for Valentine's around February yata yun or yeah, towards March. Nakapag-attend kami ni Mrs. sa Soler. At yun nga, doon kami sinwerte. At bago magsimula yung concert, na-meet namin si Erwin. At doon kami, just to cut the story short, naimbita kami, pumunta kami sa bahay nila eventually, sometime in March, bago kami umuwi. At na-meet namin sila. Kaya dito sa start nitong video na to, makikita nyo na ini-introduce nila yung aking channel dito sa video na to. Okay? So, antabayanan ninyo pagkatapos itong reaction video na to, i-edit ko to at i-upload ko for you guys to see. Ngayon, yung mga bagong viewers ko dyan, kung kursunada nyo yung ganitong klaseng setup, I'd appreciate para maging regular kayo. Click the red subscribe button, the bell notification all, and the blue like thumbs up button up there. Okay, importante i-click niyo yung bell notification all so that pagka nag-upload ako ng reaction video katulad nito, pag-upload ko nito, at kinlik niyo yung bell notification, mano-notify kayo. Malalaman ninyo na mayroong bagong video na na-upload. Okay? Yun ang importansya nun. Okay guys, kung meron naman kayong request, okay? Kung meron kayong video link, padala niyo yung video link dito sa comment. Ilagay niyo lang dyan sa comment line sa baba. At pag nakita ko yan, isasama ko siya sa listahan ng mga reaction video list ko for me to do a reaction video on. Ngayon, kung wala kayong video link, iwan nyo na lang sa akin yung name ng song, name ng artist, or the band. Tapos, i-research ko na lang. So, halos araw-araw ngayon, gagawa ko ng reaction video. Ganito ang ginagawa ko nung araw bago ko maoperahan. Kasi, mula galing sa Pinas, pag-uwi ko rito, sa Virginia, talagang hindi maganda yung, may nararamdaman ako dahil nung nasa Pinas pa ako tuwing umakyat kami, tuwing nag-hiking ganyan, kasama ko mga tropa, sumasakit yung dibdib ko, hindi ko alam kung bakit. Yung pala, meron na pala akong heart issue na matindi. At nung pumunta ako sometime end of March sa ospital, sabi nila, nag-heart attack na pala ako. Mild heart attack at hindi ko pa alam. Buti na lang na itakbo ko sa ospital, na 911 ako, at eventually na-bypass ako, triple bypass. So, after 8 months, eto, okay na ako, normal na naman, kaya okay lang, pwede na akong mag-reaction video uli. Dahil matrabaho ang reaction video, no? Kasi minsan inaabot akong buong araw kaka-video at kaka-edit. It takes time. Okay guys, this is the end for the reaction video. Magkita na lang tayo sa susunod na reaction video. Padala ninyo yung request ninyo at maisama ko sa listahan ko. Bye-bye for now. At please take care of yourself and be well. Ciao!